Let's go through question 1e of the Edexcel GCSE Computer Science revision workbook. This is again about data representation, and it's asking us to describe, this time for 3 marks, how ASCII represents text. So first of all, we should know what ASCII is. It's the American Standard Code for Information Interchange. The idea is if you've got one person typing away at their computer in one country, and they send their message via email to another person who's waiting for that email, then you can't send text over a wire unless you agree how you're going to send it using binary. So we're just sending zeros and ones. Now that could be over a fiber optic cable, it could be using electricity over a copper cable, it could be via radio signals, anything at all. Doesn't really matter. What matters is we know how to interpret those zeros and ones. So ASCII is the standard code, American standard code for information interchange, which just means how to get information from one place to another in a way that we agree on American characters. So as long as you have characters that are A to Z uppercase or A to Z lowercase, 0 to 9 or American punctuation like $signs or exclamation marks or things, then we're fine. We can use 7 bits, so that's 2 to the power 7, which is 127 different, it's 128 different characters, as in we go from 0 up to 127, that's 128 different characters, which is enough for all of the major characters that we need, unless you happen to be British and you want to use the pound symbol, which is not in ASCII, or if you are European and you want some accents, or you are any other culture that uses a non-Latin typeface like Japanese kanji or anything like that. So there are limitations because it has a limited number of characters available. There are alternatives like Unicode, which uses more bits per character, but it's one of the simplest encoding schemes that allows you to go from binary to denary and then represent a character. The type of question you should be able to do, it might say, for example, the letter A is 65 in ASCII. Can you work out what the letter C is? And you just say, right, how do I get from A to C? Well, there's a B in between, so that'll be 66, 67. So the ASCII code for C is 67. You need to be able to do that kind of question.